In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create labor reports in QuickBooks Time using the browser interface. First, open your preferred web browser and log into your QuickBooks Time account. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu. Click on Reports, then go to Payroll and choose Hours Summary by Team Member. This report gathers total hours worked and organizes them by each person on your team, making it ideal for payroll prep and quick management checks. At the top of the report, set the report dates to the exact period you want to analyze, for example, February 1st through February 7th, 2026. Getting this range right ensures your totals match the payroll cycle or the review period you're targeting. Next, decide whose time you want to see. You can select a specific team member if you're validating one person's hours, or leave it at all team members to get a complete picture of the team's time for that period. If your organization uses teams or groups, use the Groups or Team Members filter to narrow the report to a specific crew or department. This is especially useful if different supervisors review different parts of the workforce. Choose how you want hours displayed under Show Hour Totals format. Decimal shows time like 4.75, which is great for payroll systems that calculate in decimals. HHMM displays time as hours and minutes like 445, and HHMMSS includes seconds, like 445.32, which can be helpful for precise audits. You can also choose how to sort the results. Sort by name to list team members alphabetically, which is helpful for quick lookups, or sort by amount to bring the highest or lowest totals to the top, making outliers easier to spot. If you track time by customer, billability, class, department, service item, or tasks, use those filters to zero in on exactly what you need. For example, filtering by billable hours helps you validate what can be invoiced, while filtering by department can support internal cost tracking. When your filters are set, click Run Report. The report will refresh and show totals by team member for your selected period and filters. Review the totals to make sure they align with your expectations and that the format is readable for whoever needs it. When you're ready to share or process the data, click Download Grid CSV or Download List CSV. The grid format mirrors the on-screen layout, which is great for quick reviews, while the list format is often better for importing into spreadsheets or payroll tools. Use your download for payroll, management review, or deeper analysis. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.